It's a blogger and here to support that Charlie, the big boys over here inside Takoradi. And this Charlie, the TTU, this is the Miss TTU car wash, and it's happening here at the Takoradi University. Here with me, the big boys are also ready. Charlie, what time? All right, so what's your name?
Theophilus.
Theophilus, Charlie, what brought you here?
Oh, they can't watch the show.
So they can't support your name. Yeah, you see, girls there inside. Oh, what be they asking for that?
Oh, what's me? I did single.
You be single?
Yeah, I did single.
Oh, Charlie, let me say, Charlie, forgive me something.
Yeah,
how you want? I'm slim or Charlie? Big.
Me, I no get spec. Anyhow, be.
Charlie, if you still be that, Charlie. Big man, what's up?
I know.
If you so, Charlie. How about town? The big boys are in town. Yesterday. Charlie, you are here to support, Miss TTU car wash. You are like you're a big boy in town, you understand? And Charlie, what actually brought you here?
Oh, actually, I'm not from this side, so this is my first time experiencing something like that. So
okay, nice one.
They go on for here.
Nice one. His first time being here at Takoradi University, and Charlie, you see things they happen, you understand? But Charlie, I didn't see the girls there inside. What be your action for that?
I don't see anything. If you want to show me something.
Hey, Charlie, no, can make a link. Charlie, I see the girls there inside. You
do call them for me.
All right, Charlie, what's up? What be your name?
I'm Immortal.
Charlie, what be the action for you? I see they are around. The big boys they are around.
I'm Immortal, the SRC Entertainment Chain.
Oh, really? So part of the organizers. Tell us what is happening today over here at
today you go see fire and kebab. You know they can't wash cars alone. They can't watch car. We watch the car finna, they will go watch Nyash. Is it that?
So they come wash car, we go watch car, then watch Nyash. Charlie, what's good, Charlie? What's up?
Oh, cool, bro.
So I see you they call up.
Yeah.
Big no, we cannot disturb you, right? Charlie, big man. Also, what be the action? You see, be chairman for you.
Straight from Takoradi, bedroom with you. Yeah, drum straight from Takoradi.
Who the good by you?
What's it? I bet you will be level. I know there's a low level. I bet you will be level. Money Dogunanga Sanga.
Chairman in chairman with this chairman. What's up?
What's what day, sir?
I just say carry some good and things come.
We had a thing with the. Even so, come the program we can understand.
Okay.
Why bring the monster to you?
Charlie, take the monster. Come and see the monster. Make them see the monster. Make them see the monster. So now let me ask you this one. Coming here at TTU, what has been your first experience, Charlie? Seeing the girls, the campus, like how be things for you?
Oh, Charlie. Actually, me like the last year then I won't come, but I know physical of work then things. So
wait today come.
Charlie, today if I don't come like I go die. The way the boys today call me, Charlie.
So I mean, chairman in chairman, you see for make things happen.
Charlie, my experience so far that Charlie is cool. The program is Charlie massive.
All right.
I just pray that I'll get one woman. That'll be all.
Maybe 2, 1 thing.
No,
so one people. You see, Charlie, no be a red guy.
Yeah, no be greedy.
You understand? All right, so Charlie. Let's move on going in. Let's see what's happening over here, Charlie. The big boys are still posing for pictures. And Charlie, what's up?
Everything cool.
What's your name?
I relate most.
Charlie, so being here, what has been the experience so far? And Charlie, what should you expect from Charlie, big man like you? Charlie, you see that your boys there.
If so I can't plus my voice. Yeah, that be my senior one cross. Yeah, so Charlie.
Your boss with that.
Yeah, my boss with that.
I go talk to them. Sure. All right, so Charlie, you sure the best. Charlie, what your team was? The girls them plenty, but they watch inside. Yo, Charlie, chairman in chairman. What's up? Oh, talk to me, chairman in chairman. Talk to me. Nobody talk to me.
Go by and check your balance.
Go by and check your balance. How much you go left?
Check your balance.
How much you go left for you inside? If so you say.
You know something.
You say in chairman day inside. Wait. Oh, chairman day there. No. Oh really? But still, chairman in guy day. So chairman, what's up?
It's nice.
Nice. And so Charlie, what be the action for you? I say no, your boys come, things they happen. Charlie, girls day inside, things they happen for you. What be the action for your side?
Yeah, we did it. Wait and tell us say
things they happen. So
So we for camp pass through.
We come support.
Where say we get the the latest.
They then get the steals for the town inside. So at least they can there. They will make things happen. That what be your name?
I be Brian.
Brian.
It's O. Yeah, man.
Yeah, So, Charlie, so we could go to other guys and see what's happening over here at the Takoradi University. I can see the boys are fully ready for the whole convoy. Charlie, what's up? What's your name?
Not nice.
No, Charlie, being here, what has been the experience so far?
Oh, the experience so far, I haven't seen this time before.
Oh, okay.
Upon all the car wash we have done on campus, this one is different.
Oh, okay. So this is a massive one. Massive than your boy. I see the boys speak credit and things. Charlie, what's up? Charlie, talk to me. Can't talk to me. I say no. Your boys they talk. Say this is the massive one so far on campus. What's your name?
Abi Swagger.
So being here so far, Charlie, what has been the experience so far?
This is the latest, let me say, the new launch, Charlie. I don't even express myself because Charlie is so exciting.
Nice, Charlie. The man they talk plenty, but say the things they happy for you there, Charlie. Charlie, come outside and talk to me. If you see the boys they inside. So by then we could talk to other big boys and see what's actually happening here at the Takoradi University. This is the BU campus. Big man, Charlie, you say what's up? I didn't say the boys they call you chairman. You say you the boss boy.
No, my boss is there.
You boss boy. So what about your name?
My name is Trooper.
So Charlie, what be the action for you? I see your boys can there. Things they happen for you.
We there outside for our school. Yeah, I'm a student. I'm a student.
Your skills be top notch.
Yeah, I'm a student at the main campus, so we there outside give them.
Look at it here.
IT.
We can talk to your boss too for them. Charlie, what's up? Talk to me. I say the boys they call you chairman. The boys they mention your name for the back. They say Charlie, you get the steals, the composure, and things on your side.
My boss they maintain steals.
Charlie, so tell me what your name?
I be Morgan.
So Charlie, I see the boys can help the things for you. I see that the boys can be here. Charlie, help the things for you so far.
We just they manage how things go.
Okay, so far, comparing last year and this year, how is the city so far?
Oh, today the cars be made. I dey feel the convoy.
You see different cars too.
I be see. I say the boys take money.
Monica, say the control car. Charlie, make one also. Talk to me. I say make word for here. The girls do the work for that side. Hey, if it true, so then tell me. The boys they call you chairman too. So Charlie, so Charlie, what your name?
Crypty.
All right, so Charlie, so far, what be the action?
Oh, it's very cool. Yeah, we are enjoying. Yeah,
sure.
Everything is vibe.
All right. So far, Charlie says he's enjoying, and Charlie, we are just hoping he enjoys a lot as far as this whole convoy is concerned. You say Charlie, chairman did the top there. You say he get a top fight for you. Charlie, what's up? Charlie, what be the action? You be students, right? So far, last year and this year, like how has been the experience?
I remember Batiti. This year I'm Batiti.
Charlie, this is the first time on campus, right? Yeah, so first year student. Hey, first time you get the series, the boys on the call you that thing.
Yeah, shout to my chairman MGKC. I love you MGKC. Shout to my chairman.
I said, chairman, they won't talk to me. He say, what's up?
Cool, what's up?
I say the boys, they hold the organization, Charlie, things they happy for a year.
Yo, deep.
Nice one. So tell what be the action, you be part of the organization. Tell us more.
The drift it was see me top.
No one. Also drifting the things they top.
All the cars in here, no one will drift me apart me. Yeah, I don't tell you.
With the car you go take drift.
In my small car, I have Benz though, but I won't use the Benz. I will use the small car.
They go show that they there.
The bit come for the drift and the Benz.
Chairman say he go take drift. Charlie, expect some steals, expect some Charlie composure, then Charlie some better things over here. Or you get something to talk again. As you say, you make fire. Chairman make fire for you. Charlie, what's up? I see when they come, I say no, you Charlie, your composure, then things they take and they be fire.
Yeah, that's how we like it in town.
So that's how we like it in town. So what's your name?
I be Amount. AMG Amount.
AMG Amount. That means I now get one boy. We name AMG Amount. We back in our crowd. Charlie, so you see what's up? So far being here, what has been the action?
Oh, bro, as you can see, the experience is very great. Yeah. As I said, we like it in the town. That's how we like it in the town.
He get American accent for you, Charlie. Somebody muniska. Others say so. Make a talk to boss. Boss Nansa there. Make a talk to her. You know, Charlie. In dread loves and this was for Thursday, Charlie. Today you go show some money then things then Charlie. I be you go make you feel what's up?
I did was
it. So what be the action so far? What be the action for you?
It be cool. We could do inside.
So what do they expect Ankasa today?
Yeah, you know, magic.
Yeah, I see chairman give some eye for there. He say they won't talk to me, but then so you expect magic, you expect good things, make things happen for you, right?
Positive vibes.
If you hear positive stuff, you say the boys they have them be positive about. But I make a talk to chairman. Charlie, chairman, you see also.
Chairman, I record.
Be a. Yes, Charlie, see how bad in whatever so far. No, I was how they shake.
I be shake.
Okay, so shake me, you shake that side too. Charlie, yes, start here. Yes, starting a challenge, son, be asana.
Yes, start.
What's the starting, but Charlie be asana. This is the other new ones we can. All right, so Charlie then say the my chairman did there.
This way.
Oh, this way. Oh, chairman, they say we cannot left you. So chairman, they say we cannot left you.